Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah. I'm happy you're here today. Today, I want to talk about something very important. Something many English learners feel, but don't always say out loud. Sometimes we think, I'm too old to learn English. I should have started earlier. My brain doesn't work fast enough. Everyone else is better than me. But let me tell you something. You are not too old, and it is never too late. Today, you will follow Anna. She's 23 from Brazil. She moved to America to learn English. She feels tired. She feels pressure. Sometimes she wants to give up. This lesson is slow and simple, perfect for A1 to A2 learners. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story.
Anna.
Oh no.
Anna, do you have a minute?
Yes, teacher.
I can see you try very hard, but your writing is still weak.
I study every day, but when I write, my mind feels empty.
That's normal. Writing is difficult. You need more practice.
I feel very slow. Other students write so well. I feel embarrassed.
Please don't compare yourself. You are learning in a new language. That takes courage.
Do you think I can improve?
Yes, but you must not give up. Write a little every day. Simple sentences are okay.
Okay, I will try.
Good. I believe you can do better.
I tried so hard, but it's still not good. Maybe I'm not good at English. Maybe I started too late. I didn't come here for nothing. I left my family, my friends, my old life. I failed one test. Not my whole life. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to continue. Today, I feel tired, but I will not stop. One sentence a day, one word at a time. Okay, Anna, let's try again tomorrow. Excuse me.
Yes? Hello?
Sorry to bother you. Are you studying English?
Yes, I am. How did you know?
I saw your screen. I use Duolingo too.
Really? That's wonderful. Please sit down.
My name is Anna. I'm from Brazil.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Tanaka from Japan. I live here with my son and his family.
Your English is very good, Mr. Tanaka.
Thank you, but no, I still make many mistakes. I started learning only 2 years ago.
2 years ago? But can I ask, how old are you?
Of course, I'm 62 years old.
62? Wow! Why do you learn English now?
Well, I'm retired now. I worked in a factory in Japan for 35 years. I never used English before, but now I live in America. My grandchildren speak English, At family dinner, everyone talks in English. I want to understand them. I want to tell them stories from Japan. So I decided to learn.
That's beautiful. But isn't it hard at your age?
Yes, very hard. My memory is not like before. I forget words all the time. Yesterday, I forgot the word umbrella. I said rain stick.
But you don't give up?
Never. You know why? Because I have time now. When I was young, I worked 12 hours every day. No time for learning. Now, I'm retired. I have time. I have patience. Age is not the problem, Anna. The problem is if you stop trying.
Sometimes I feel like I'm too slow. I'm 23, but other students learn so fast. They remember everything.
Anna, can I tell you something?
Yes, please.
Don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday's Anna. Are you better than yesterday? Yes? Then you're winning.
That's really good advice.
I write new words on sticky notes. I put them everywhere, on my bathroom mirror, on the fridge. Every morning, I read them. Little by little, they stay in my memory.
I should try that too.
Yes, and Anna, you're 23 years old. You're so young. You have so much time. Don't give up now.
Thank you, Mr. Tanaka. You really helped me today.
You're welcome. Keep practicing. Maybe we can study together sometime.
I would love that.
Hello?
Hi, Mike. It's Anna.
Hey, Anna. What's up?
I'm okay. Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Your English is perfect. How did you learn it? I mean, I know you grew up here, but do you have any tips for me?
Tips? Well, first, my English wasn't always good.
Really?
Yeah. When I was little, I only spoke Spanish at home. My parents are from Mexico. When I started kindergarten, I couldn't speak English at all. I was so scared.
Now you speak like a native.
Thanks. But it took years, Anna. I think the most important thing was I used English everywhere, not just in school.
What do you mean?
I watched cartoons in English, like SpongeBob, Avatar. I listened to music in English, even when I didn't understand all the words. I read comic books. They have pictures, so it's easier. And I talk to myself in English.
Talk to yourself?
Yes, all the time. When I walked home from school, I practiced in my head. Like, today is Monday. The sky is blue. I'm hungry. Simple things.
So you practiced alone?
Exactly. You don't need a teacher 24/7. You can practice anywhere. In the shower, on the bus, at the gym.
But at work, when customers talk fast, I get so nervous. What if I don't understand?
Then you ask them to repeat. It's normal. You know what I say? Sorry, could you say that again, please? Could you speak a little slower? Americans are usually very nice about it.
You think so?
I know so. And Anna, can I tell you something?
Yes?
You're doing great. You came to America alone. You work. You study. You try every day. That takes courage. Don't be so hard on yourself.
Thank you, Mike. That means a lot.
Hey, we work together tomorrow, right?
Yes. 2 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Perfect. Let's practice English during our break. I'll help you with difficult words.
Really? You would do that?
Of course, that's what friends are for.
Thank you, Mike. See you tomorrow.
See you, Anna. You got this.
Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hello. Can I have 1 latte, please?
Sure. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
You got it. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Perfect. Anything else? We have fresh muffins today, blueberry and chocolate chip.
Yes. 1 blueberry muffin, please.
Great choice. For here or to go?
For here.
Awesome. That'll be $7.50. Thank you. Your latte will be ready in just a minute. I'll bring it to your table.
Thank you.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. The weather is very nice today.
Right? Finally! It was so rainy last week.
Yes, I like the sun.
Me too. Are you a student here?
Yes, I study English. I'm from Brazil.
Oh, cool. Brazil. I've always wanted to visit Rio. How long have you been here?
8 months.
Wow, and your English is really good.
Thank you. But I still make mistakes.
Hey, we all make mistakes. I took Spanish in high school. I can barely order tacos. Well, enjoy your coffee. Let me know if you need anything.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
I did it. I had a real conversation. She understood me. And she said my English is good. Maybe I'm better than I think. Today was a good day. On Saturday, I met Mr. Tanaka in the park. He's 62 years old and he's learning English. He told me, don't compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday's Anna. Mike told me to practice everywhere, not just in class. In my head. In my daily life. He said I'm doing great. He said I have courage. Today, I talked to the barista. I was nervous, but I did it. We had a real conversation. And she said my English is good. That feels amazing. I am not too old. I am not too slow. I just need to keep going. Little by little, day by day. Tomorrow, I will study again. I will watch one video in English. I will talk to customers at work. I will practice with Mike during our break. I will not give up. I left Brazil for this. I came here to learn, to grow, to become better, and I am. I can do this. Anna's story is not finished. She will study tomorrow and the day after and the day after that. Some days will be easy. Some days will be hard. She will feel frustrated. She will feel proud. But she will keep going. Because learning English is about trying every single day. Anna is 23. Mr. Tanaka is 62. Learning is for everyone. What matters is that you try. If Anna can do it, if Mr. Tanaka can do it, you can do it too. Thank you for learning with Real Talk English. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next lesson.